Okay, so let's begin. Welcome all. Welcome to Financial Fitness. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to understand the reversal patterns. What candlestick tells us. Now, what is reversal pattern? Looks heavy, right? The word seems very, very heavy. Acha, reversal pattern, U-turn, something like that. Now, reversal patterns is nothing but, I'll tell you what we are trying to do is we are trying to learn the language of the charts. We are learning the language of charts. The charts talk to us, they tell us well in advance that it is going to go up or going to go down. For example, if you see, this is Nifty, this is the index, like we say Sensex went down, the Sensex went up and all. This is the chart of Nifty, Nifty 50. Now, Nifty on 5th Tuesday, that is 18 Jan, our previous webinar when we were learning, it made this bearish, huge bearish candle. Now, this huge bearish candle in combination with previous candle forms a bearish engulfing. This is called bearish engulfing. I'll tell you and explain. What I'm trying to tell you is, even before the fall, the market will tell us that, okay, it is going to fall. And we can take action accordingly if we are having any position in that. Like this complete this this let's say if I'm zooming in, you can see this is the candle of 17th January. This is a small candle. This small candle was totally covered by the candle of 18th January. This 17th January candle, small candle, completely engulfed by the bigger candle. This is a big candle, red candle. Here the bears were winning all and all since morning. They started sell, 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 sell. That is okay. That told us it is a bears are winning the tug of war. They kept on selling since the beginning. They sold, sell, 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 sell till the end. But if we see it along with the previous day candle, we will see that this red candle has sort of engulfed, it has covered the previous candle. This is called bullish combination of two, this candle plus this candle, called bullish engulfing. If you find something this on the top, that means the chart is telling you there is a high probability that market will go down. We studied yin and yang. We are interested in knowing when the markets will go up. So exactly opposite happens. Okay, let me find a good example. SBI. Now see here, if you see, okay, I'll hide the volumes. See here, this candle. If you can see this candle of 20th April, here is my mouse. At the bottom is the candle, red candle. And red candle 20th April is totally covered by 27 April candle, which is bullish engulfing. So this is called a bullish engulfing. Once you see such pattern at the bottom of the trend, that means the chart is going to telling us that it is likely that the markets will go up. So whenever we see something like this after the market has gone down considerable, it is market is talking to us that it is likely to go up. After a up move for some time, if you start seeing something like this is bearish engulfing, where a small candle is completely covered by the red candle. Next day it is bearish engulfing. See here, this green candle is engulfed, it is covered by the red candle. It is called bearish engulfing. Here the market is telling us it is likely to go down. So it helps us in taking trading decisions. Right here also, see here the red candle has covered the green candle entirely, and it is showing that the markets, the stock is likely to go down. This is how the charts speak to us before it happens. Right now, even if the market is going down, see there is this bearish candle was there, it did not go down, it was a failed candle. it was likely to go down. Uh, Somehow it did not trigger, but still we have to be in cautious. If it is in, we are in zone, we have to be cautious. If it starts going below this, it is likely to go down. So it's a combination. Candlestick patterns are combination. They are combination of 2 days patterns or 3 days patterns. So whenever we have to see whether the market is going to go up, we have to see combination of 2 days, and it will give a good indication whether it is going to go up or going to go down. Everyone getting some idea? How many of you are getting some idea about the topic what I'm going to cover today? Yes? Okay, great. So what we are going to learn today is, we are going to learn about the combination. We are going to learn about 2 days combination. When that combination occurs, when it looks something like that, the chart is telling us that something is going to happen for next 4 to 5 days. If you want to earn money, take action and earn money. So that's what the charts tell us. Now let's go through those things one by one, and we will try to understand what charts are telling us. Now, important thing, support and resistance, I'll be covering in coming week. So you can learn today. We will cover support and resistance in the coming weeks. Then you can again go back and watch this video on YouTube, and then you can both combined, you will be able to understand. Since we started with candlesticks pattern, I'm continuing with the candlestick pattern, support and resistance. You have to understand uh, also to use it. So what we have to do is, I'll explain briefly about support resistance, but you just pay attention to the patterns, and I'll explain how to use for the support and resistance. Now, patterns discussed today are present in descending order of the trend to reverse a trend. That means this pattern, right? This pattern, okay. So this pattern is most powerful. If you see something like the 2 days formation, see, first was a normal candle going down, and second candle like this. This is very, very powerful. The possibility of share price going up is very, very high when you see this pattern. So this is the most powerful pattern, then followed by this pattern, and so on and so forth. So what I'm saying, trying to say is, whatever I'm presenting today is in decreasing order of the power. So whatever is I'm explaining first is most powerful, then lesser powerful, lesser powerful, lesser powerful, and so on and so forth. So far so good? Can I have yes if I'm crystal clear so far? Yes? Okay, great. Now, what you have to pay attention is, simply the pattern is not good enough. It's a reversal pattern. It has to reverse something. It has to take a U-turn. Simply, if it is sitting in one place, it will not make a U-turn. It has to have move in certain direction, stop and reverse. Right? That is what is reversal pattern. It has to move in some direction, then it has to stop there and then come back. That is reversal. So for any reversal pattern, it is very important that there is a downtrend. Uptrending reversal, there has to be a downtrend for some time. The share price has to fall, 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 fall. Then the reversal pattern will form, and then it has to happen at support level for a higher strength, and then it will go up. How you can trade is, buy above that pattern and ride the wave for next 5 to 7 days and earn around easily you can earn 5 to 10% with using this reversal patterns. If you just master this reversal patterns, easily you can make 5 to 10% in 5 to 10 days. Okay, so let's go ahead. First, this is piercing pattern. This is called piercing pattern. Now, what is this piercing pattern? There has to be downtrend, of course. At the end of the downtrend, you will see two candles. First candle is a red candle. I'll go slowly. I'll explain the pattern very slowly. See, this candle is a red candle. Now, this in this red candle means, did the close happen below the open price or above the open price? Was the closing price for this red candle was below the open price or above? Below, right? So this candle, there was a downtrend. This candle opened here, went down and closed. Now what happened was, next day when the market opened, there was some positive news, or it came to a support level where the people were eager to buy at support level, to accumulate, because they thought it was a right time. This was the close, and the open happened at a higher price. This is the close of this day, and the open happened at a higher price. So this is one final point which you have to note. The red candle followed by a green candle open is at higher level than the close of red candle. It kept on, the bulls kept on taking the pulling, the bears went up, and the closure happened above the wick of this red candle. If you see such combination at support level, what you have to do, how to earn money? What you have to do is you have to buy above the high of this candle. Next day, not immediately, don't buy here. Next day, place your orders, or in the morning when the market opens, be ready. Whenever it crosses this level, buy, hold it for 4 to 5 days. You'll be able to earn money. Let's see some examples. Let's try to find some examples here. SBIN, of course, see here. You can see here there was a downtrend, and this went up, right? This opened up. This was red candle. It opened up. You have to buy here. Of course, it went down. Next day it went up, and then 3 to 4 days it went up. Let's see some more better example of this piercing. Normally you will get bullish engulfing. Piercing patterns are powerful, but they are lesser in number. See here, the price kept on going down from here to here. So there was a downtrend. First we need a downtrend. So there was a downtrend. Okay, good. Now it has reached to this level. Now if you draw a horizontal line here, this is a support level or not. At the same level previously, historically also, the price should have bounced up. So let's go in past. Okay, looks like it has support here. Earlier also from this level the price has gone up. Good. This seems to be a support level. Okay, here also in past it has taken support. Good. So we have a downtrend, we have a level. You can draw, okay, this is the level. Then next day this, it closed here, red candle for 24th September, it closed here. Next day it opened here, kept on going up, and it closed above the wick of red candle. Next day, if it is going above this candle, you can buy, hold it for some 5 to 7 days. It will give you a decent return. At least it goes for 5 to 7% whenever you have this type of movement. Okay, let me find some more example if possible. Just hold on. See, something like this. Okay, but there was no here we have around 20th October there was a downtrend. It has to come to a level. Now is it at support level? You have to draw one line here. I hope everyone has seen how to use trading view. Draw a support line, go back historically. Did it go from this level? Yes, looks like it has in past also. See, past also it has come downtrend, and there is a piercing pattern here. This is a red candle. It opened high. It did not close above. Not a very good pattern, but this definitely closed above the red candle and it went up. So this is how you have to see downtrend. This reversal piercing pattern. It goes up. You buy above this. Take trade for 7 to 8 days. Even you can hold it for longer, but candlesticks keep the trade for 7 to 8 days, not more than that. It is a short term trading. If you want the long term, look for such patterns in the weekly only. Okay. Are we good? So far, so good. Everyone clear about piercing pattern? If you want, you can take a snapshot of this. I'll show you on the slide. You can take a snapshot and keep it here to yourself. Okay, just hold on. September 15th is there is a piercing pattern, but it is followed by downtrend. Vijay Lakshmi, which stock you are saying? Stop loss is the low of the pattern. At the support level is the stop loss. That is a stop loss. Okay. How to draw support line? You can watch my trading view. How to use trading view? I have shared a detailed YouTube video. You can practice along with it. It's almost 2 hours video. You should see it if you are serious about learning the trading view. Okay. Okay, 15th September. Where is 15th September? March, April, May, September. August, September. Okay, and okay, this one, right? See, it is uptrend. We are learning about a reversal pattern. So Vijay Lakshmi said, okay, no, 24th September, it did not go up. We are learning about reversal pattern. This is very good observation, but we are learning about reversal pattern. See, it has gone down. This is a piercing pattern. It has to reverse something. So it's a reversal pattern. From here, it is likely to go up, right? When it go up, this is a reversal. So it reverses. So I say pattern in independently might mislead. So don't, if it is already going up, this pattern will not reverse anything, right? It is powerful when it is after a trend. Vijay Lakshmi, are you clear about this? This pattern, why it did not work? Because we are studying reversal patterns, U-turns pattern, right? Great. So this is a one pattern. So just take a snapshot if you want, or you can watch the video on YouTube and see. So if you have a trend, downtrend, you have a red candle followed by this candle, you can buy above the high of this candle. Okay, you can buy above the high of this candle, buy the next day above the high, hold it for 7 to 8 days, exit after 5 to 10% gain. Stop loss is the low of this combo. So this 2 days combo, wherever there is support, that is the stop loss. If it falls there, exit. Book a small profit, small loss, and exit. You can buy here, sell there. Okay. Second pattern. So this is the first pattern. Second pattern is bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing is there is a downtrend. See, these are reversal patterns. Okay, so there is a downtrend, a small candle, and it is engulfed. It is being covered. It is fully covered, including wicks, by a bigger candle. Again, it has to happen at a support level. So downtrend, small candle, engulfed by a full green candle. You can set your eyes, you memorize this, make a picture in your mind. This is how it will look. Small candle, including wick, covered by the big candle. This is a reversal pattern and it is likely to go up. Again, you have to buy above the high the next day. Once you see this pattern, stop loss is the support or the low of these two candles. You have to exit. Okay, so let's see bullish engulfing. See here, Bharti Airtel today also it formed a piercing pattern. We have to see whether it will go up or not tomorrow. Okay, now bullish engulfing. I saw good examples in LIC. See, in LIC, we have this bullish engulfing. There's a downtrend, then it will stop at a particular level. You draw a horizontal line, see if in past it has gone from there up or not. Yes, if yes, you can adjust it and you see in the past at that level. In past, in near future, if it has come down till that level and gone up, then if it is coming here and after a downtrend, this reversal pattern is forming, there is a likelihood that it will go up. You can see this red candle, this trend is coming down, red candle. Okay, this is not a good example. The uh, wick also has to be covered by this. Let's find some better example. Okay, so there is no good example. Do I have a good example in SBI? Okay. Okay, so it's not engulfing exactly, but here it's a small candle. At least body is engulfed by the bigger body. This is a good example, but there was no downtrend per se. So we have a downtrend here, and at the support level this body is engulfed. So typically best is if the body and the wicks everything is engulfed. That is the best case scenario. Even if body is engulfed by the green candle, so body is engulfed by the body, green body, this is bullish engulfing. You can take a trade above the high of these two candles. Don't take high above the green, take the high of this candle. So maybe you didn't take a trade here, third day you take a trade, take it up for 5 to 10% and exit. So you'll find this repeating again and again. So important points, again I am repeating for the n number of time. There has to be downtrend. It has to stop at a level where it has gone above previously. Okay, that is the support level. You cannot have somewhere in the mid-air. Don't look for the patterns. Look for the patterns when it comes down, touches the support level. Here you see the pattern and then it goes up. Now third pattern what we have is a combination, right? A piercing pattern. It started from here, it reached till here. It's a combination of three candles. So you have a downtrend, red candle. Next day it starts, it pierces 50% of the red candle. Next day it closes above the wick of this candle. Then you buy above this. Again, this has to form at the support level only. Let's see for Mindtree. Oh, this is the first piercing pattern. No downtrend. Okay. कुछ ढूंढ के रखना चाहिए था. Okay. This is not a very good piercing pattern. This is a Harami pattern. Okay, we'll come to this. So just remind me. Okay, I'm not finding that example. Let's go to the next example. Now, the next pattern after this is Harami pattern. This is a Harami pattern where the trend is coming down. The red candle is big, followed by a green candle. This typically stops the downtrend. It will not go uptrend immediately, but whenever you see there's a downtrend, a red candle followed by a small green candle, it will try to stop the downfall of the stock. So it is better after you see this, wait for a few 1 or 2 days, let it reverse, and then only ride the wave. So this is a weak pattern. Okay. Now let's see something like this. Examples here. Okay. Now we have, see something like this. There's a downtrend. This is a big candle and followed by a small green candle. You have to wait above the high of these two candles to ride the wave. Don't ride the wave just like that. It takes time to reverse. See here, there was a downtrend. This was a red candle. Ideally, there should be a downtrend, red huge candle and a green candle here is the most ideal. so it will start moving sideways, right? The market will tell you, the chart is telling you, okay, it was going down, 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 down. It has stopped going down. It is likely to go up. Wait for a clear indication. It takes 2 to 3 days, 4 days sometimes to go. This is called Harami pattern, where you have big red candle and a small green candle. This is red candle. Ideally, it should be a green candle here. Okay, see something like this. There was a downtrend. This is a red candle, huge red candle, followed by small green candle. This is a combination, right? This is a huge red candle followed by a small green candle. So it's a Harami pattern, and it tells, okay, the stock has stopped going down. It is likely to go up. You should not jump the gun. Wait for some more indication to go it to go up, and then ride the wave. Everyone okay? Can I have yes? So far so good. In Harami pattern, don't jump the guns. Okay, Harami pattern only stops it from going down. It will go sideways, and then it will go up. Then finally we have a morning star. Okay, morning star. This is a morning star where it's a combination of three candles, downtrend, a red candle, a small candle, something like this. It can be red or green, both, followed by a green candle. So this is a complete reversal pattern, and then it goes up. Again, it has to form at the support level. Importance is support level, downtrend and support level, downtrend and support level, something like this. Downtrend, red candle, small candle, green candle. So this is a combination of three candles. Red, this can be red or green, and green. Buy above the high of this three candle, it will take up. Let's see. अब भी देखा यार मैंने. Okay, this is the Harami pattern. Down. Okay, I showed you already. And see here, this is a very good example. There is a downtrend, red candle, the small red candle below, and then green candle. Not the ideal situation, but if this was not there, straight away this red candle, the small doji, and this green candle, it's a combination of three. It is telling us, chart is telling us, now the downtrend is about to stop. You can buy above this and ride the wave above it, right? So this is a morning star combination. This is a morning star. So this is how the charts tell us how it is about to turn around and going to go up. Same way, yin and yang, like I told, yin and yang, whatever is on the bullish side is same for the bearish side. So if the pattern, if this trend is going up and it has reached its peak, how the chart will tell us, okay, now it's time that might go down. You'll find this pattern, the opposite of piercing pattern. In piercing pattern, it was going down, 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 red candle followed by green candle. It looks like something like that. If the trend is going up, 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 and there's a green candle and there is a piercing red candle which opens little bit down and closes below the green candle, the chart is telling us the bull run is over. It has stopped. It will stop going up. It is high probability that it will go down. That is one. And I'll show you two combinations and then we'll search for them. And this is a bearish engulfing where there was an uptrend, a candle, green candle, covered, engulfed completely by red candle. After a uptrend, the stock is telling us, the market is telling us it is likely to go down. If you have position, if you want, you can exit. This is for short-term trades only. Okay, candlestick patterns are usually used for short-term trade, 5 to 10 days trade. That's it, not more. Don't. It's not for long-term trades. See, Nifty, it was a clear indication. There was a uptrend going up, up, up. There is a green candle engulfed by the red candle. So here, Monday and Tuesday candle told us, okay, it is likely to come down. See, it has gone down 3 days. Now the lower wick is increasing. See, now there is something which chart starts telling. I'm not covering today, but just for your information, if the lower wick starts increasing in the shape, that means what is happening? Anyone? If the lower wick starts increasing, see, this lower wick was small, this is little bigger, and this is little more bigger lower wick. Ha, someone said, right, the bulls are coming in. See, if the prices are pushed, it went till bottom here and bulls started buying. See, during the day, the bulls are fighting back. So the bulls have started fighting back now from today. See, here the wick was very small, the bears were pulling, okay, the small wick was small. The next day the wick size increased. The third day the wick size has further increased longer. So when it went to low, bulls started taking over. They pushed the price till here today. Tomorrow, mostly there is a higher probability. Let's see, let's draw one line here and see what has happened in past. See, in past it has gone up from here. It has gone up from here, right? It has gone up from here. Today also it has come down till this point, and the bulls started reclaiming their ground. The bulls started buying, though it was a red candle, though the market went down, but this wick is telling you, okay, it went down, 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 it did not go. Tomorrow we might find a small green candle here or a small red candle, and most likely this is a reversal pattern. Tomorrow it may form, and never know, right? 20, 21, 22 December is a morning star. 20, this is a not a morning star. Yeah, this is like, this is more of a Harami pattern, like big red candle followed by a inside candle, right? So this is there. So this is bearish engulfing. See, here is, there is a bearish engulfing. It told, okay, market is going down. See, the number of wicks starts increasing, piercing pattern, it goes up for some time. Now let's see the piercing. Again, this is bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, where the red candle engulfs the smaller candle. This is a combination of piercing. So 1, 2, 3. So this 3 will be per candle, right? Let's see, in SBI, do we have some good LIC? LIC had a good lots of patterns. See here. Again, see, if it is going up, it is a bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing. As soon as you see bearish engulfings, the steam has gone. You have to be cautious because it is likely to go down. This is a bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing. It is likely to go down. So at top, mostly you will find bearish engulfings. Whenever you have bearish engulfings, it will go down. Okay, so next is the piercing pattern plus a combination, and this is a Harami pattern. So it goes up, a green candle, small candle. This forms very rarely since we are learning the opposite. So I showed it, and then finally evening star. So it goes up, you have a green candle, a doji star up, and a red candle. Combination of three will be a evening star. Evening is when the sun is setting, so it's called evening star. So and the chart is likely to go down. Normally stocks will fall very fast, so it falls because of gravity also. So difficult to get all this combos when it is a bearish pattern. But for bullish you will get maximum of these patterns. Okay, so everyone, okay, so far so good. Have you learned a lot of things today? Can I have yes if you have understood what we are trying to learn and what are the reversal patterns and how market tells us in advance whether it is going to go up and going to go down. Once you start going through the patterns, when you start going and looking and learning, it's like learning to drive, right? The more you drive, more you understand the nuances of charting. So this is some 8 to 10 patterns what I have shared with you, uh, and you have to go back and practice. So that is our motto: gain knowledge, which you are done here, take action and earn money. Okay. Great. So if you have any questions, type in your name. I'll come to you one by one, and then I'll. Okay, Praveen, go ahead, please. I'll allow you to unmute. Hold on. Oh yeah, Praveen, go ahead.
Vikas has question before me, so you can
Okay.
ask.
Sorry, I missed that. Yeah, Vikas, go ahead. You have a question.
Yeah, see, I have a couple of questions here. One is this candlestick pattern which you are showing here,
Uh huh.
especially related to trend reversal.
Uh huh.
As I understand, we have to view it with keeping support and resistance level in view, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Oh, that is clear. Second is, are these patterns applicable to indexes also like Bank Nifty and Nifty as
Yeah, this
well?
is nifty.
This is Nifty, okay,
This
because
is
you were showing
nifty.
most of the stocks. Okay, this is Nifty, yeah, this
Yeah.
is Nifty, okay, fine. And this last one is, what is this Mission 10 million? Because I see it on your slides and I'm probably joined it late in your group. So
Uh-huh.
this Mission 10 million which you write, what
Uh-huh.
does that mean? I mean, it's not related to today's teaching, but just a
My
curiosity
mission
from my end.
is to educate 10 million people in stock markets for free.
Oh, okay, okay. Very nice kind of this thing mission. It's
Okay.
good. Good luck. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This is all from my
Thank you.
side. Now, Praveer.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, Praveen, go ahead.
Sir, I have one question. I may have few more questions later on. So, first thing is you said that buy at the higher price. Okay,
By above the high of the two candles.
correct.
Yeah.
So, why to buy at the higher price next?
It's like a confirmation.
So, when we are deciding to take a trade.
What
Okay.
we want is we don't want to risk our money. It's like a business. Uh,
Hmm.
we want a confirmation that it will happen. So it's a sort of confirmation. Of course, you can take a little higher chance. If you see a pattern, you can as well buy at a close and take a little risk in that. I am little risk averse, so I suggest people to take lesser risk. So okay, buy before that. So it's a better confirmation that yes, this is not a fake reversal pattern. This is actual reversal pattern, and it is reversing. So it's sort of confirmation also.
So basically, you are saying that you place order, you see the reverse pattern. For example, in this case, you are showing on 22nd December, okay?
Uh-huh.
21st December, correct?
Uh-huh.
There is a reversal pattern. It is coming down, 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 and then there is a doji,
Correct.
big
Correct.
doji.
Correct. Yeah.
And you place a order very next morning at the price of, let's say,
Here, higher price here.
16,952, something like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Something like that.
So don't wait for it to come down. It may come down or it may go up for more than that. So you don't worry about that.
Correct. Correct.
Just very early morning, you go and place the order before 9:15, and your order will get executed. Be happy
Be happy.
and leave aram se, and then
Awesome.
wait for 5-6 days, and then when you
Then
see your money is 5% depreciated, sell it off and
enjoy the money. Have party.
okay, got it, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Thank you. Great question. Okay. So after Praveen, okay, Kamal is asking, is it possible to share the presentation? No, I'm not sharing the presentation. Sandeep is asking, is shooting star same as evening star? No, Sandeep, evening star is you have red candle, a star, and a green. Sorry, a green candle, a star, and a red candle. So it's a T. right? So it forms 3 candles. That is the evening star. Shooting star is normally, can you define shooting star? Because shooting star is what? How it will come? Like in between, somewhere like this?
Yes, Amir, shooting star is basically exactly opposite of the this thing, the hammer pattern, where the wick is long on the top of it, and then
Uh-huh.
you have a red formation of the candle. That is a reverse hammer.
This something like this?
No, but that is not a really shooting star. Maybe
This
just
one?
go slightly back 4 or 5 days.
This one?
No, this one, the top red here. That is probably on 15th, around 15th of the month. 15th,
This one?
yeah, something like that.
Okay.
But
Acha.
again, here it is not a purely shooting star because you still have a wick below the candle. So
Uh-huh.
there's typically the candle ends and the close is, and there's no
Acha, acha.
wick below that.
Okay, okay, okay.
That's typically,
Reverse of hammer, like
yeah, exactly reverse of hammer.
that is gravestone doji star actually. If you see, if the this
This
body,
is gravestone doji star.
if the body is at the bottom, no, it's a gravestone, like gravestone, no,
Yeah.
gravestone. So it's a
Okay.
grave and a star. So if the body is at the bottom, something like this, when you have this,
Yes,
and
something like that.
without a wick, this is gravestone
Correct.
they call it. Independently, you're right. This is this is a bearish pattern if it is forming at
And the
the,
top
yes,
of the
yes, yes,
graph.
yes. Agreed.
Okay, fine.
And yeah, and it is quite powerful. Huh?
Yeah.
Doji at the top is pretty much powerful that way, but it forms rarely. Nowadays, I have not seen for very long time all this exotic patterns forming at top. I normally see there will be bullish, bearish engulfing. It goes down. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Amit. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. So TSK Stroff, yes, please go ahead with your question.
Sir, good evening, sir. Very nice. You have explained the fundamentals of trend reversal. But if you see that yesterday in today's market, the Tata LXC has gone up almost 11% yesterday and today 7 to 8%. So was there any indication 2-3 days back that any hints to go up, this Tata LXC has to go up?
See, it has started going up from here, 10th Jan.
Yes.
If you see
Yeah.
my earning strategy, we'll be learning earning strategy. So this is the earnings date. This E you can see, this was the when they were going to declare their earnings detail. So there is a strategy which I teach, earning strategy, which starts 1 month before. So you have to buy a share 1 month before when it starts going up. So you don't have to worry when the earning strategy happen. You have to look for Tata Elxsi from here. People are watching it here in the earning strategy. You start earning from here, ride the wave till here, which is more better, no?
Yes, sir. But sir, the result only came only 2 days back. I think yesterday
Okay.
the result came out.
That's why I said earning strategy starts 1 month back and you earn money from here to here. Rather than enjoying these 2 days only, you will get an indication 1 month before itself.
But not like this much, 11% and 8% in 2 days.
Sir, charts will tell you before the results will come, before the news channel will tell. That's why we are learning the charts. Charts will not tell you on the result day. The news channel will tell you on the result day. Charts will tell you 1 month before that, okay, you are going to get good results or not so good results.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. I got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, great. We will go through earning strategy 1 in few days. You can definitely attend that and you'll understand what I'm saying. Maybe right now what I'm saying is not making sense. Just look out for earning strategy 1 and you'll get. In few days, we'll be conducting that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Means players bowl. Okay. Mohit is saying hi. Hi, Mohit. Great to see you. So Mohit is saying happiest mind and ITC. Okay. Happiest mind, let's say. Happiest minds. And yes, we have happiest minds and we have lots of resistance, resistance, resistance here. It is facing lots of resistance here. Yeah, so this is happiest mind, and so this is how we have to practice, keep on practicing, and then you'll get hang of things, and you'll be able to make more better trading decisions. Fine. So I believe I have answered mostly all the questions. Bajaj Finance, good results, but hammered. You see, Bajaj Finance, like I said, right? Bajaj Finance, sorry. Bajaj Finance, see, it will go up, start going up 1 month before. We don't wait for the news to come. We are learning the language of the charts, right? We don't wait for news to tell us that the results will be good. We know the charts will start telling us 1 month before that the results are going to go up. We don't wait for the result day. We wait only 1 month before we ride the wave going up. Fine. So that's why we are studying the chart, the language of chart. Yeah, Arvind, you are trying to say something? Okay, fine. So
Hello.
yeah, Arvind, go ahead.
Sir, the bottom एक baseline है. Baseline, how do you select baseline? आपने mention किया था.
How to
select baseline जब भी शेयर नीचे जा रहा है?
ये सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस हम सीखेंगे इसमें. जैसे ये कहाँ पे, जैसे अब मतलब यू कैन गेट अ फीलिंग, राइट? इट इज ट्राइंग टू गो अप, नॉट एबल टू गो अप, ट्राइंग टू गो अप, नॉट गोइंग अप. सो दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस एंड सपोर्ट. आई विल बी कवरिंग सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस.
Yes, support line, yes.
That I'll be cover in coming weekdays. I'll be covering that.
Right. Thank you very much.
Okay, great. So
Sir,
thank you.
one question. Sir, one question. If you look at the Halfway graph, AFFLE, how do we influence this graph, whether it is in downtrend or
see, this is a bearish engulfing. This has started going down. This is doji star. This is a Harami pattern. So it has stopped. Harami pattern will not take it up immediately. So you can observe it is likely to move in this range for some time. If it crosses above this, then again the trend has changed, but it will start moving in this here for at least 5 to 7 days. It will not go up immediately. It will go sideways for some few days right now.
So, sir, it is not to be considered in downtrend because there are three.
The downtrend has stopped. The downtrend has stopped because of this Harami pattern.
Harami pattern, because this
still Harami pattern is not very strong to take it up, so it is likely to go sideways for some days.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So great.
Sir, one question, please.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah. Just now before this, we saw that Bajaj Finance, right? So you told that before earning day, 1 month before only, we can make out whether the stock is going to go up or not. So here, if you see 1 month before, it is started going up.
Correct.
Right. So if we buy here, so considering now the stock will go up, but on the earning day, then again it went down. So in case of Tata Elxsi, after earning day also it went up. So how we will make out that when to sell it?
I will show it in more detail in earnings strategy, which I'll be sharing. But the simple strategy is whatever is the earnings day. This is the earnings day. You draw a line below the low of earnings day. Okay. If it goes below this line, sell it off. If it remains above this line, keep holding. See here, it went down, right? Just exit. Simple.
Okay.
Now in Tata Elxsi, let's see what happens. This is the earnings day. You draw a line here. Did it go below this line?
No. So we have to hold it.
You have to hold. Simple.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone. for joining the webinar. See you on coming Tuesday with a new topic and new discussion. Thanks a lot for joining. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.